Okay, what's up guys? Today we will be playing Soy's RNG.
These are very stressful times.
Yes, I know, it is very late, so we have to be quiet. But my ass is gonna play Soy's. Now let's play Bloxford first. I'm kinda bored and I don't wanna waste y'all time. But I'm just gonna go AFK and then I'm just gonna see if I'm just gonna see if we can roll anything. So it's gonna be just gonna be real quick. So boom. I like to join my private server.
We've been doing everything to get this last arcane. Heavenly Potion 2 is ready.
You should
We just
subscribe
got
to
one.
Bax.
I'm not rich. Guys, wish me luck. All the luck. We can't see how this is gonna go wrong. GG on Abyssal. Guys, if I get an Abyssal, I am deleting it. Having 2 Abyssals, that would be like spitting in my face because there's so much stuff we need to get. Like, give me a second one. I don't want to sound ungrateful. Alright, here we go. Come on, I take that back. Please give me Abyssal. Fuck. What am I getting? Someone blocks it. The key is to get the biggest aura out there because this is war. However, one more thing we did get was the Swipe device, which gives you the power to gamble even more, just like first. But the jig is always a pleasure. That is a lie. It is not a pleasure. The idea is your luck is always multiplied by 1.3, and that is it. It doesn't do anything else, but it might be worth the trouble. What we're gonna do right now is just crawl back into our deep, sad little cave. The sound is so annoying. Dude, it's like bashing your head into golden points. No pain, no gain. Excuse me, people. Excuse me. I gotta show this to Stella. See this, Stella? You jealous? You jealous? Huh? I bet you won't. Because you're just an NPC. You can't equip this change and gamble. Okay, with the power of Lucky Penny and 1.3 watts, we should start cooking. Be right back. Good morning, soldiers. As you can tell, we had a very successful tour of gourmet meals. We didn't just get one arcane. We also got another star stage, which it's a key. We also got another Solar Soul Spice. No one cares about Solar Soul Spice. Get out of here. But most of all, we got Arcane. And we didn't just get one. We got all of them. So this is the closest we've ever been to the Exoflex device. I was cooking another Heavenly Potion, but we don't need to use it. Either way, I am addicted to gambling, so we're going to use it either way. We're also using the new glove for the Heavenly Potion. Excuse me, sir. Hellwood. Getting there. Fortune of Spoil. Fortune number 2. You too? Here we go. Guys, I am nervous, but at the same time, there's no reason to be nervous because after the flight is going to be smooth. Wait. I can't remember. Let's go down. Okay. I am not mad at you. Come on, Fury. Let's go. You can take the voice play if you want. I don't care. Yeah, buy it out. This Mars just made $1 million. That is like a full house. Who cares about voice points when you have it? So, well, 777 guilders away. With that said, time to take a long 20-hour nap, and I'll see you tomorrow. With every upcoming day, we slowly uncook ourselves. This has been another very successful night. We got 2 exotics, we got Sailor, guys, we've got Sailor. Welcome aboard, Sailor number 6. You will join the army, and we will fight against the evil. First of all, we got Arcane. I love you too. Imagine if I remove them like right now, we wouldn't even get to enjoy this. Actually, this one looks really nice. Unfortunately, it's only 15 million and we already have Arcane done. So, I don't want luck. I just want sovereign. I don't understand why this game just keeps punishing me. Anyway, we are almost done with the episode. This is going to be our last day. So, yeah, we're just going to go back to the cave, say hello to Stella, and as a celebration, we're going to do one more Heavenly Potion. It's just a matter of time. That's arguing the real luck. Depends. We will pop a Heavenly Potion. The result will speak for itself. Excuse me, gentlemen. Excuse me. I have a meeting with an old friend, Jake. After weeks of pain and torture, I have done it. I have collected all 50 exotics. I cannot believe this. Take them. Just take them. Please just get this out of my face. And it's done. We have every single item on the list. We need the Navi device. The World of all Exo Flex device. It has right bond. That means it's extra fancy. A device that will make your exotic destiny even more brilliant. 340% luck. No one cares about the numbers. Just look at this. It changes color. That is so cool. My whole life, my 60 days on Solgar and Deep finally have a meaning. Rate my new gauntlet. Oh, guys, Celestial Divine is flexing in this. 10 out of 10. Okay, ignore that guy. I know everyone else has an average. As with everything else, I'm always late to the party. Most YouTubers are like completely done with this update. I'm just getting started. We are going reverse. Okay, 340% luck. This is with the gravitational device, which is so much bling. I shine like a bright star in the sky. We are going to get so much more luck. But there's only one not so rare aura I want. We have heavenly potion. This is our celebration heavenly potion. We are going to drink every liquid on the way. I don't care what it is. It's going inside. Rune of corruption. Same thing. Let's do it. Okay. All the luck is ready. Look, Gargantua's here. About to get our second one.
Y'all should actually subscribe and like Bax's video and subscribe and hit that bell. Bax is the best YouTuber ever.
Done just because we got the Exoflex gauntlet. Well, we've been cooking all night. Literally all night. 5.69 million rolls. What a lucky number. We've cooked up a bunch of more heavenly potions because I'm a gambling addict. I need help. But we also got a bunch of new juicy stuff like Hades 6 million. No one cares about Hades, guys. We got more. Most of you might see this. Hades, that's one. We're gonna lock this one in because why not? We also got Hyperball. That was from last time. We got Abounded and I'll stop. Let's go. Let's go all the way up. There it is. Star Scourge. Congratulations. I can't believe it. We are actually getting back on track. We are no longer the most cooked player alive. Let's be honest, for 5.7 million rolls, it's still pretty sad. I think most people would stop playing this game a long time ago if they were me, but I am a crazy man, and I'll do whatever it takes. Here we go, boys. Star Scourge. Subscribe for Star Scourge. Look at this. Beautiful. And does anyone care? Oh no. I don't think anyone cares about this one. Well, I care about this one, Star Scourge. Don't listen to them. Keep in mind, we still have those beautiful, juicy, heavenly potions. So this is not the end of our journey. We've cooked up one more Heavenly 2 potion. We could technically do one more, but we gotta save them up. You know, Celestials have been quite tough recently. I have 2 more comments in the Galactic Book. Wow. That's it? You got anything else? Show me your best aura. I haven't equipped. Roll count, be honest. Be honest with us. Come on, how many rolls do you have? Yeah, 182k. Wait, are you kidding me? For 182k, already has this beautiful thing? I'm honestly done with this game. Look, that's my new aura. Guys, why is no one paying attention to my new aura?
I'm gonna record until my phone dies.
And life will be
I'm gonna save it.
Something's telling me.
So don't worry.
Guys, please leave something for me as well. You're too fast. Is she there? Is she there? Yes, she is. Yes, she is. All right, Mark. Come on. Come on. Quickly. Please don't tell me. Oh my god. Let's go. Wait. I could have bought the Void coin. I am so dumb. Okay, we can also get the Fortune Spoil, which is pretty good because you can stack it up with other stuff. Maybe not. All right, so one of the coins is gone. One of the Lucky Pennies is gone. Guys, Lucky Penny is a good investment because it can stay for a very long time. But who cares about math? You guys are used to see me gamble. We're so early here. Come on. This one guy, he's gonna, he looks broke. Years.
get good bio.
I am so upset with my son right now. He broke his hand playing baseball.
Now they're probably gonna think I'm cooking.
You don't have to be upset about it.
Please tell me if I'm cooking or not. This is my first video.
He broke his hand playing baseball.
I'm pretty good at every game.
And play baseball.
If you want me to play specific games, I'll try.
With this biker noticed a cyclist climbing up the road, he teased him by fake pedaling. But only a mile later, he got stuck in a traffic jam, leaving the cyclist with the perfect chance to get his sweet revenge. And when they caught back up to him, he waved back to son of a bitch. When this biker noticed the cyclist climbing up the road, he teased him by fake pedaling. But only a mile later, he got stuck in a traffic jam, leaving the cyclist with the perfect chance to get his sweet revenge.
This happens only 1 bajillion times a day. Yes. Now we're going to say, why don't I use jackpot goggles? Because I got all these aura
Stuck in a traffic jam,
without
cyclist with the perfect
jackpot goggles. It's so goggles and tie goggles.
And when they caught back up to him, he waved back to son of a bitch. When this biker noticed the cyclist climbing up the road, he teased him by fake pedaling. Only a mile later, he got stuck in a traffic jam.
Bruh. I actually hate this shit. 13 minutes. Yeah, I bet y'all ain't go even watch half this shit. Yes. Yes, I can curse. I'm 15. Fuck you. Wanna hear? Fuck you. I can curse, bro. Dude, I'm super pissed right now. Bro, when the fuck do I get heaven? Hell biome, like what the fuck? Right. The fuck? My best roll is lunar full moon, but I don't like it. I like solar solstice because it looks cooler. And plus you get a shield and music. While lunar full moon mutated, you just get Yeah, for some reason I don't get that.
Are you still wondering how much it would cost you?
Amanda.
Who are you?
I'm Amanda. I'm 6.
Who are you playing with, sweetie?
Amanda.
Who are you?
I'm Amanda. I'm 6.
Who are you playing?
Me and my twin turned 20 today, and to celebrate, here's a time lapse of us playing together. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Me and my twin turned 20 today, and just let's cut open the perfect brisket. This has been cooking for 12 hours.
Damn, 12 hours is a
It
lot.
doesn't get juicier than this. Just watch this thing squirt. This thing is juicing like no other.
What the
Don't forget the juice. This thing's about to juice everywhere, so let's cut open the perfect brisket. This has been cooking.
Sneak that into the fucking...
Put it on my chest, you Slenderman weirdo!
What? My boy has a chest right there. What the hell, bro? Bro, what's in there? Oh, is that a sword?
Much later.
Hey, Calvin, is
I'm gonna end the stream here. Yes, you're gonna say, why did I come off the game? Because
Go clean your room. Come on.
It's gonna take forever.
boom. Now I'm gonna stop the video. This is what I
Hey,
used
Calvin,
to.
is Dad yet? I want to stop cleaning my room.
This is what I used to video. So see you guys.